Hello everyone, if you don't know me already, I'm Tara, the dance doctor. Welcome to my channel. Today we are continuing on with our Learn by Doing series, and we are going to be doing bachata. As with the other videos, I start slow and then do the same movement fast. That is the structure for the first two songs. In the third song, we are going to put everything that we did in the first two songs into a sequence that does not incorporate the halftime timing. So you want to really pay attention to the movements in the first two songs so that in the third song you can just dance right through it without any issues. The good thing is you have this video on YouTube. You can watch it as many times as you need to learn all of the movements, and I think you guys are really going to enjoy this one. Really quick before we get into the lesson, I want to let you know, if you didn't already, that I will be hosting an in-person dance retreat here in San Miguel de Allende, the #1 small city in the world, April 27th through May 3rd of this year. If you love dancing and you love travel and you love new experiences, this is the trip for you. I only have a few spots available, so if it sounds like a good time coming here to the #1 small city in the world, having amazing food, having dance outings, doing other cultural activities, learning about San Miguel de Allende, and of course, taking 10 private lessons in a small period of time with me so that you can completely transform your dancing, head over to ddretreats.com to get all of the price information, what's included, what's not included, or shoot me an email at dancedoctoronline@gmail.com and we can set up an info call and I can resolve any doubts or concerns that you might have. Okay, so that's all for right now. Now, without further ado, let's get dancing. Thanks so much for joining me for today's lesson. I hope that you enjoyed following it as much as I enjoyed leading it. Don't forget to give this video a like, subscribe to my channel, and turn on the post notifications so you can see when I upload more stuff like this. Until next time, keep dancing.